Hi, this is Noah with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Do you need parts for your Midmark autoclaves? Whether it's OEM or manufactured RPI parts, we have a huge selection of different products to suit the needs of any Midmark autoclaves. We have door gaskets, door springs, chamber filters, and so many more parts for your Midmark products on our website. We even have preventative maintenance kits for your autoclave's next maintenance period. Do you need information on installation, operation, or maintenance? We've got you covered there too with the Midmark resource tab on our website. It's filled with how-to articles, user and operator manuals, and much, much more. Are you more of a visual person? We can help there too, with a playlist on our YouTube channel dedicated to informative and resourceful content focused on the owning, operating, and maintenance of your Midmark autoclaves. And as always, if you can't find what you're looking for or need help with service, parts, or repair for your Midmark autoclaves, please just give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support.